How to uninstall Instabridge from phone. Now, if you go ahead and access directly from your phone settings, like on this one, if you go into your phone settings and then going into apps and features, and then heading straight into manage apps, if you delete or uninstall Instabridge from here, it will not work. So what you will be doing is just to access your Google Play Store. And then at the top right portion of your screen, you should see your profile picture. Just simply tap on that and then head straight into Manage Apps and Device. From here, you will see two options like Overview and Manage. Just switch it into Manage. And then you have to manually look for InstaBridge app from here so that we can also um, manually uninstalling it. So we can see it from here. Just simply tick the box and then just locate the bin icon or the trash bin icon at the top right, then hit on uninstall. And that's it. That's how you uninstall Instabridge from phone.